and Java. C, C++ and Java are three languages that have defined programming paradigm with time and yet hold great value in the market. So I will be comparing the differences between C, C++ and Java. See here the differences between C, C++ and Java. Matrix programming paradigm. C is a procedural language. C++ is object-oriented programming language. Java is pure object-oriented programming language. Second origin is based on assembly language. C is based on assembly language. C++ is based on C language and Java is based on the C and C++. Third metric is developer. C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. C++ is Bjorn Stroustrup in 1979. Java was developed by James Gosling in 1991. The next matrix is platform dependency. C is platform dependent. C++ is also a platform dependent. Java is platform independent. The next difference is translator. C is a compiler only. C++ is also a compiler only. But Java, interpreted languages, compiler plus interpreter. Approach is C is a top-down approach. C++ is bottom-up approach. Java is bottom-up approach. In file generation, the extension of C files are .exe files. C++ is .exe and Java is .class files. Next metric is preprocessor directives. In C language, it supports header files #include #define. C++ supports #include, C++ supports #header and #define. Java supports use packages, that is import. Come to the next metric, keywords. C supports 32 keywords. C++ supports 63 keywords. Java supports 50 keywords. Come to the data types. C is supported, C++ supported, Java does not support the data type union and structure. Inheritance, C has no inheritance, C++ supported, Java supported except multiple inheritance. Overloading, there is no overloading in C language. C++ support function overloading, that is a polymorphism. In Java, operator overloading is not supported. Pointers, C supported, C++ also supported, Java does not support the pointers. Allocation in C, use M allocation, memory allocation, C allocation. C++ use new, delete. In Java, garbage collector. Next matrix is exceptional handling. C is not supported, C++ supported, Java supported. Templates, C does not supported, C++ supported, Java not supported. Destructors, C, in C language, no constructor neither destructor. C++ it is supported, Java not supported. Come to the multi-threading or interface. C is not supported, C++ supported, C++ not supported, Java supported. Database connectivity, C not supported, C++ not supported, Java supported. Storage classes, supported auto and extern, C++ supported auto and extern, Java not supported. Code execution, C is a direct, C++ is a direct, Java is executed by JVM. The next comes to the multiple choice questions in the first session. In Java, jar stands for A. Java Archive Runner. B. Java Application Resource. C. Java Application Runner. D. None of the above. The right answer is none of the above. Second one, which of the following is not a Java feature? A. Dynamic. B. Architectural neutral. C. Use of pointers. D. Object oriented. The right answer is use of pointers. Java was designed by. Answer is C. Sun Microsystems. Fourth one, earlier name of Java programming language was. The right answer is Oak. Which of the following personality is called as father of programming language? Answer is James Gosling. Sixth one, Java was publicly released in May 27th, 1995. Seventh one, why Oak was renamed to Java? The right answer is because there was another language. What is the portability offered by Java language? So the right answer is the C. Ability to run the byte on different machines producing the same behavior and the output. What is JIT in Java? The right answer is just in time compiler. The last one is the what are the main distribution types of Java software? The right answer is all the above. Thank you.